first thoughts of this place?
Amazing.
Yeah, right?
It is the type of place I would live in.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, it's, I really like the full kitchen, the living area. It's amazing how many places don't have a table and chairs to just do stuff. But in general, it's just new, gorgeous, clean, spacious. This is more of a house living. You can come here and relax. But the fact that you have a full range dishwasher, ice and filtered water in the room. And then on top of all of that, there's also a pantry. So, like, if you are actually setting up shop or this is where you're staying.
Ta-da! For all of you moms with kids out there, ta-da! Not just moms, sorry. Moms and dads. Oh. They have lots of coffee stuff. That's what I was worried about. I was like, I hope they know that I like more than one coffee in the mornings. Now to the master.
To the master.
So here's the master, a nice king bed. One thing I also like is they have so many drawers. Ben's already got a bunch of stuff in there.
You told me to hide my things.
They have lots of drawers to put your stuff. And another big closet in here with a safe.
So we have a nice, oh, hello.
They have Tommy Bahama's things.
Toiletries.
Toiletries, thank you.
There we go. And then
tub. And then a nice big shower.
So here is the second bedroom, which is lovely with the transition to the ensuite. So it's a second bathroom and ensuite.
Yes.
So you have access to both. So every bedroom and the living room have a widescreen TV.
So as we go along, I keep finding things that I get excited about. Anybody who's got tons of phones will understand. And look at this thermostat.
Sometimes this hurts. But not today. Medium firm. I'm ready for this. Oh, 3 cheese margarita. Like a home. So when you come here,